I am John Nazareth, former president of Goa Government Employees Association, a voter of Santa Cruz Assembly constituency, Chimel Zilla Panchayat constituency, and Village Panchayat of Merces. I feel really excited that Mr. Raghav Chadha, Honorable MLA of Delhi, is coming to Goa for a public debate with Goa's Power Minister, Mr. Nilesh Cabral. I would like Mr. Chadha to also debate whether he can still claim AAP to be a party with difference, or it has deviated its stance and became like any other party. It would be interesting if Mr. Chadha debates whether AAP is still following its founding principles of remaining away from 3 C's, like corruption, communalism, and having characterless people in the party. On 2nd November, people have seen that one Mr. Charles D'Souza, or Charlie, a ZP candidate from Chimel Zilla Panchayat constituency, has joined AAP. Mr. Charlie is a known person for cheating many people, including my own brother, by selling a shop for which agreement was enforced to other buyer at the last moment. Mr. Charlie has also not respected the court judgment delivered recently after 12 years, nor appealed against it. Mr. Raghav Chadha should also debate whether or not Charlie has sold his flat of one Mr. Narendra Mandrekar, who had paid the money as per the agreement to some other buyer few days before his Garh Pravesh. Mr. Chadha should also debate whether a single shop or a flat can be sold to 2 buyers, and making people fight in the court of law for justice is proper. Mr. Chadha should also debate whether or not Mr. Charlie has cheated his own teacher from Don Bosco named Mystica Cardos, and whether or not he has cheated a baker by name Agnello. Mr. Chadha should debate whether Article 6B of its party constitution, which provides 1. An office bearer must not involve himself in any corrupt practices. 2. Not have any pending criminal cases of a crime involving moral turpitude, or should not have been convicted in the past, has been amended. AAP, which had initially created some impact on people like me, should debate whether it wants Goa to copy Delhi model, or whether Mr. Chadha is coming to Goa to copy Charlie model of selling flats and shop in Delhi to more than one buyer, or to collect ill-gotten money from Mr. Charlie for party funds. People of Goa are simple, Mr. Chadha, but not that simple not to understand your divisive policies. I look forward, Mr. Chadha, that you will definitely debate on these points too. Thank you.